Good evening, friends. How was your day today? Are you tired living the lives of others? Are you pressured to live as the society has dictated you to live? Time is passing out. When we will live our life, our individual life, because it's for one time we are here in our present physical form. Did you felt at some time throughout the day emptiness, loneliness, or oneness within yourself? Do you felt or feel or have urge to be connected with your subjectivity? Do we want to make our individual identity? Just think of that. If yes, let's be self-alerted. Do you know that integrated persons become individuals? But the society wants us to be non-individuals. Instead of individuality, society teaches us to be a personality. The word personality has to be understood. It comes from the root persona. Persona means a mask. The society gives us a false idea of who we are. It gives us just a toy, and we go on clinging to the toy whole of our life. Have you thought of it? Just analyze it. Just give yourself this question. So the question is this, that how to live in harmony, how to live fulfilled life, how to be happy. The full quest, the full struggle of life is only this: happiness. Correct? I want to share, and that is, unless we are meditative and connected with our subjectivity, we cannot respond to our present moment's necessity or requirements in this objective world. Do we recognize that many of us are living fake life? I mean egocentric. We always try to strengthen our ego. We nourish it. And that's why in due course of our life, we forget to look inside ourselves. We forget to analyze ourselves. We become egocentric persona. The ego is an artifact created by the society to deceive us, to distract us from the natural way of living, to distract us from realities. So we have to become a real-time soldier, a fighter. with the awareness of our true self and connection with our subjectivity. There are many ways to lead our life. One is to live it from the very core of our beginning, from our subjectivity. That has been the way of the mystics. Practically, practice of silence or dhyana or meditation is nothing but a device to make us aware of our real self. It is a device which makes or assess or makes a possibility to get the awareness of ourself, our emptiness, which is not created by us. It needs not to be created by us. It is already. We are already in it. We are born in it. We are it. It needs to be rediscovered and established within ourselves. Once we know our real self, we become an individual. And once we become an individual, psychologically, we are no longer part of the existing crowd. And we will not be superstitious. We cannot be exploited by anyone or any idea. We will live according to our inner light. We will live from our own inwardness. Our life will have tremendous beauty and integrity. So give a chance to yourself. Try to experience silence. This will take to experience as universal emptiness. In real sense, it is not that empty as we are figuring it out. The universe in its emptiness is fulfilled with us and all the knowledge database. So we have to assess it and make our life full of joy. We are the true guide for ourselves. We are guru of our own life. Just we require to enter ourselves, enter the sphere of silence and emptiness, explore it. About emptiness and its importance, I will share my words in upcoming video. Be connected and don't forget to subscribe. Om Shadguru Devaya Namaha. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om.